Welcome back to The Designer and the Writer. I'm your host, Creative Bobbie. I am the designer.
And I'm TJ Tooley, and I'm the writer.
And on this episode, we are going to talk about something that is vital. It's a vital need in the DC universe. You see, I'm a huge Green Lantern Corps fan, you know what I'm saying? And brightest day and blackest night, no evil shall escape my sight. But you know what sometimes escapes sight? Stains on your uniforms, you see? So what we need to do is come up with a dry cleaner specifically for the Green Lantern Corps, because how are they gonna patrol all of the universe? Got stains on your stuff. You can't be out here doing the police work, you know, saving the world, saving all these kinds of worlds, but you got stains on your stuff. You're dirty. You can't be dirty cops. Always bad, no matter what the context.
So, first of all, I agree with you that this is a very important, very necessary thing to be, on world, on planet, but also possibly have satellites throughout all of the universe, because all of these lanterns, they aren't always at home. They go patrol. They have their planets they have to attend to. So this can be something that we can franchise. You can have it all over the place. And yes, the main central hub and the branding is going to be green, but there's other lanterns out there. We aren't against taking their money too. I'm just saying it's an opportunity to fill the hole in that market. So I have less of concepts of how this business is going to operate, because we're going to hire professionals. They're going to know how to do it. We don't need to worry about that. What we do need to worry about is how we're going to market this thing. And boy, have I got some things for you. Starting with a possible name of the, just for a little backstory there, can you tell the fine folks about what or who OA is?
OA is the home base of the Green Lantern. So the master power battery is on OA. It is one of the oldest planets, and it's home to the Guardians. They kind of run the Green Lanterns.
Proposal for the name is the OA Cleaning Corps. You keep that kind of militaristic structure, the keep it in the core kind of thing. You can do the branding around green if you want to, but like I said, there's all of the Lantern Corps out there. And so what do they all need? A cleaning corps. And that's where I think we slide in. I have a couple of kind of tagline kind of ideas that might so I'm going to throw them at the wall, see what sticks. I have every Lantern Corps has dirty laundry. That's a fun, easy one. Or when your stains are more colorful, or when your stains have more colors than there are Lantern Corps. That's a fun one. Or the super, super cool one that I like. So we could do, for brightest stains or blackest spots, or from brightest whites and blackest evening wear. or my personal favorite. Are you ready for this, Robert?
I'm probably not, but go ahead.
So, OA Cleaning Corps, for when your suit is super dirty.
I like the name of the OA Cleaning Corps, because they're it's super militaristic. So I just see them why wouldn't the dry cleaners be the same? Maybe they make deliveries. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they pick up and drop off. There's all kinds of possibilities here. Is there anything visually, a shape that could represent the business, but then it could be represented in different colors based on the world and based on the Lantern Corps that they are, they're serving?
Steering into the militaristic nature of all of the core logos, they all have similar-ish emblems, and they're all tied to rings for the most part. So I'm thinking maybe keep the round motif, maybe keep the circular ring gemstone motifs going, and keep the I don't want the OA Cleaning Corps to look like it doesn't belong to these cores. And so making sure that it fits within kind of the overall branding of all of the cores in the universes that exist.
I agree. I'm gonna get cracking on this. Thank you so much, TJ.
I'm excited. Okay.
Like everything's weighted similarly because I like when things are weighted similarly so everything looks cohesive. The hanger, the custom hanger, I'm proud of all of this, but the custom hanger, handmade by your boy, used for brightest stains and darkest spots because it was too good not to use. And the kind of like the star type thing, subtle thing, and because I'm into Green Lantern, as we've covered, I use green, but then also blue stars because the blue lanterns, which represent hope, have the ability to fully charge the Green Lantern rings. So there's a relationship there between the green and the blue.
I like it. You know, we talked about doing something that was reminiscent of the other cores. I think you nailed that. Obviously, I will see the inspiration in that. I personally, I'm touched that you would use the tagline that I created for it. I think that's pretty cool. It's pretty clean. I dig it. I like it a lot. The hanger, like you said, the hanger is a banger. Can I say that? It's good. I like it a lot. I mean, I've always liked the Lantern Corps logos. I think that they're really cool. The kind of simple, lines that go with it works really nicely with, your style, whether you agree you have a style or not. And it's really cool. It looks really good. I was going to ask, what is the diamond flower shaped part going on there?
So this is also something you'll see in the full video, but it's like a star, but then I wanted the star to be shooting out, sure, representing the cosmos and representing the lanterns and stuff like that.
Ooh,
this.
Cool.
So there is a version for every single core of the lanterns. So
excellent.
Every single, and then I have the general one. But this is what I was talking about when we were discussing it at first, about having something that can be used for different cores and different planets and stuff like that. So yeah, I wanted to show you this.
Yeah, the one color version works real well, and with something that's inherently colorful like the different lantern cores, I think that's a really cool way to do that. But yeah, that's pretty rad. I like that a lot. I'm picturing, since this is a cleaning agency, I'm picturing like garment bags being the color of the uniforms. I'm picturing branding on whatever worlds or stations that they might have. I'm picturing the uniforms for the cleaning corps, maybe hats, or bags. There's a lot of potential here, and it's really cool. This is going to be an important part of every core, as it should be and always has been, but now it'll get the recognition it deserves because it is a core to itself.
TJ, I want to thank you for another great episode of Designer and the Writer. I also want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section down below, which Lantern Corps would you be in? Which color would you be rocking? And remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See y'all next time.